Hi folks, Travis Spencer with Kinney Insurance. We had some extremely high winds yesterday in Vermont, and with that came a lot of claims. So I thought it'd be a good opportunity to just tell people what the claim process is, what to expect when you're having a claim, and just some things that you can do along the way to make the process go a little smoother. This is going to cover kind of both auto and home. It's going to be kind of broad, but the first thing, if a crime has been committed or there's injuries, you're going to want to call 911. If it's a vehicle accident or someone's broken into your house or car, or if there is a crime, call the authorities. We want to get them involved first. If there hasn't been a crime and this is just a wind event or a weather-related event, the first thing you want to do is get in touch with the insurance company as soon as possible. We want to get the claim process starting. So it'd be reaching out to us directly. If you have the claims number for the insurance carrier that you work with, you can call them directly. They're ultimately going to want to get all that information and have a conversation. So regardless if you call us first, we're going to have to connect you with the insurance carrier as well. Just a reminder, we do not handle the claims. Kinney Insurance isn't the claims department. We don't go out and investigate the claim. We don't cut checks for the claims. That's all going to be handled through the claims department of your specific insurance carrier. So they're the ones that are really going to be handling it. We're just going to help you navigate the process and answer any questions you might have. So once we get in touch with the insurance carrier, they're going to assign an adjuster to you. That individual is going to work with you to make sure they understand all the information of what happened, and then they're going to work with you in regards to getting things repaired and then payment. The next step you're going to want to take after you reach out to us is make sure no further damage happens. So whether it's a broken window, a leak in the roof, a broken pipe, whatever it might be, the next step is to make sure to mitigate any further problems happening and any further damage. So that might mean getting in touch with a carpenter or a restoration specialist or a plumber, whatever it might be, just to make sure whatever's going on is stopped and there's no further damage to the property. So then from there, you are going to work with your insurance adjuster. And what you can do along the way is make sure you document everything. Take photos, keep receipts, keep all the bills and expenses that you accumulate because of this event. And again, like I said, take photos. We want before, while things are going on, if you have to mitigate the situation, let's have some documentation on what's going on. Insurance fraud is running rampant. Not saying that's the first thing in your mind, obviously, but from a claims standpoint, they want to make sure they have all the documentation and know exactly what occurred. So I know going through a claim can be really difficult, it can be very stressful, but we're here to hopefully help you navigate that process and lead you through that claim and get you over the finish line. So report the claim as soon as possible, mitigate any further damage, keep good receipts, good documentation, get in touch with those specific people to come out and clean up and help out, and be in constant contact with your claims adjuster. If they call, make sure you respond in a timely manner so they can move the process as well. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Be safe out there. And if you have a claim or if you have a question, call. We always say it's better to file a claim. It's better to move forward with the process, find out what's covered and take it from there than to sit back and wonder if you should after the fact. So thanks for your time, and we'll talk to you soon.